Hey everyone, in this quick iPhone tutorial, I will show you how to stop apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. This is an important privacy setting that gives you more control over your personal data. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside the Privacy and Security page, tap on Tracking. This is where iPhone shows which apps have requested permission to track your activity. At the top, you will see a toggle that says Allow apps to request to track. Turn this off to stop all apps from even asking for tracking permission when you launch them for the first time. If it's already on, you can individually deny tracking for apps listed below. Some apps may still collect limited data for their own functionality, but they won't be able to track you across other apps or websites once this setting is off. And that's it. You have now taken control of your app tracking settings on iPhone. If this video helped you out, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.